Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's recipe is coastal style spicy prawns masala. This is a semi-dry gravy, goes perfectly well with rice, dosa and even with chapati. Can't wait, come on, let's get started. The recipe needs just a few basic ingredients. The key is to chop the tomato and onion very fine. That's what makes all the difference. I like to use less oil in my cooking. Here for this gravy I'm just using 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the finely chopped onions and fry it very well. We are not letting the onions to turn brown here, just it should get cooked well. Now add ginger garlic paste. Add some curry leaves. Finely chopped tomato. Add some salt, turmeric powder. Now I'm adding the magical touch, my homemade chicken sukka powder. See, it should turn nice and soft like this. Add prawns and saute them well until they turn white and opaque. I will share a chicken sukka powder recipe video soon. Meanwhile, if you prefer to buy store-bought one, ask me in the comment, I will tell you which one works the best. Close it and cook it well for 10 minutes. Wow, look at that. We are almost done. Just garnish it with some curry leaves and coriander leaves. This delicious dish is ready to serve. Enjoy every bit and don't forget to share your feedback in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.